I can't even begin to fathom what wizardry was cast upon this.
Oh, hello there. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my apartment. We are back to doing our cool vegan taste test videos. It's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna look a little bit different. We're gonna just make it work, okay? We're gonna make magic happen. Since I figure, you know, we're all feeling a little weird, maybe some of us are feeling a little stressed out, it would be great to make some kind of a cheeky little treat that is gonna make your frown turn upside down. And that can only mean one thing: brownies! And you know what we're making them with? We're making them with avocados. I'm also gonna have to break and pause and film myself and film the food. This was the only table I have, so that's why I'm so awkwardly far above it. You know, we're rolling with the punches. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 avocados into our blender. That should equate to about 1 cup of avocado flesh. I'm realizing that you guys can see my camera. Well, if it wasn't clear enough that this is a one-woman show, you're really getting a behind-the-scenes look now, huh? I wasn't kidding when I said this is an indulgent recipe, okay? Don't come at me about how much maple syrup I'm about to use, because we're gonna do the damn thing. 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup. Yep, that'll do it. That'll give you the zip you need. You know, this is why some people are like, just because you're vegan doesn't mean you're healthy. And you know what? You're totally right. Everything in moderation across the board. We're gonna go ahead and add raw sugar as well. A little bit of vanilla extract. I love the smell of vanilla extract. All right, we're gonna take it over to the blending station. Oh yeah, look at that. You've never seen a texture color combination like that before. Now it looks like baby food. All right, so let's transfer this into this large bowl. Bowls this big just make me happy. There's just so much opportunity here. It really is the little things in life. Ooh, yeah, that is a trippy consistency. Ugh. The reason avocado works for this is because avocado is a nice, healthy, natural fat. I know flour can be tricky to find right now. One thing you can try is to see if restaurants are selling any excess pantry goods they have. It's also a really great way to support small businesses right now. I'm gonna take this time to put on my oven to preheat. It should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 180 degrees Celsius. See, I know that from memory now. I can't find my tablespoon, and we wanna use 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I'm gonna get, what's the word? Scrappy. And I'm gonna use my teaspoon. 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. So 18 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Definitely will fast forward through this part for you. It could always be worse, couldn't it? Today we're making brownies. What is there to be upset about? So we're gonna sift in our cocoa powder. I always feel like I should have like nice piano music whenever I sift things. Okay, then we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Is the camera in the shot? Of course it is. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. The oven's ready. That means we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat. And then lastly, we're gonna do just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Now, let me rinse this off and dry it off. I'm going to use my just to dry this, cause this is my kitchen and my room. Now let's sift this all together. Oh, wow, that's something. The green just, you never get used to it. Ooh, that's starting to look like brownie batter. So we want to mix this up until there are no more dry spots. Tell me that doesn't look so good. If I could turn back time, I wouldn't say it looked gross. Okay. Now we get to add in our chocolate chips, add in our chocolate chips, add in our chocolate chips. Hey, hey, hey. It's really a different experience with me at home, huh? Okay, so we're not gonna pour in all of our chocolate chips. We're gonna pour in about 3/4 of our chocolate chips. We're gonna save the last 1/4 to place over top our batter before we pop it in the oven. Okay, so now we are going to put our brownie mixture into a prepared baking pan. All right, let's transfer our batter over here. I know the next step is normally to lick out the entire bowl of brownie batter, but I don't want to spoil the surprise of how it tastes. So I'm gonna set that aside and wait until it bakes before I do that. Okay, I couldn't wait. It tastes incredible. And the best part, since there are no eggs in here, I don't have to worry about getting salmonella, because all that's in here is all kinds of sugar and avocado. All right, let's spread this out. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 20 to 22 minutes, or until I can put a little toothpick in there and it comes out clean. So we make sure it's cooked all the way through. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. So let me just cut these quickly. All right, so I'm gonna use my fork, lift one of these puppies out. Oh, she's so beautiful. You're so pretty. Oh, it's perfect. The texture is perfect. It's like, it looks like a normal brownie. It looks like it's like cooked all the way through, which is important, but also it's nice and fudgy. So the chocolate chips that are mixed in there melted and they have these little fudgy pockets. It smells divine. So I really don't want to waste any more time. I think the professional thing to do is just to go ahead and try it, right? Right. Hold the phone. What are you? Oh my God, so good. It's perfect. It's like, it's got like a light texture to it too. It just feels like there is no freaking way anybody would taste this and be like, what did you do here? There must be some kind of fruit that everyone thinks is a vegetable in here. No, there's no taste of avocado whatsoever. It is delectable. And I'm not like a big sweets desserts person either. This could freaking turn me. I'm going to go and get the one person who I've been social distancing with, and that's Aria. Let's see what Aria thinks. Okay, you can come out.
What am I doing at her place?
Are you in your underwear?
Yeah. My underwear was off in bed, so I mean, let's just be happy these are on at all. I'm very excited about this. This is vegan.
Yes, this is vegan.
The real perk here is that there's no other animals, and none of our other guests are here to waste the food. All these brownies are mine.
Oh, you mean the coworkers?
Yes.
Okay, handsome.
Okay, here we go. Oh, sure. This is by far the best thing you've given me on this show.
You say that every week.
I say it
you
often.
say that every week.
I say it often. I say it often. It's the truth each time I say it. And this time I really mean it. I top the other ones just because I have such a sweet tooth, and this is. It's just so the moistness is really what's getting me. I honestly don't think I've had brownie this moist before.
But it's not like gummy, right?
It's not gummy at all. Moist in a good way. And honestly, I can't even begin to fathom what wizardry was cast upon this.
I like that. I like that. I like that.
I like you. I am tasting hints of, I want to say, like some sort of, maybe there's like a something, you're getting like there's like that little sweet flavoring that's coming through, but not really sweet. It's kind of like a soft, little delicate little kiss.
A flavor's coming through, huh?
A flavor's coming through. I'm gonna guess beets.
Beets?
Beets.
No.
Because beets have that sweetness.
It's avocado.
Let me guess more. It's avocado?
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. That's what it is. The fats start coming through. No, okay. Compared to other stuff you made me in the past, 12 out of 10. The best thing you've made. Hands down. Hands down.
Thank you.
Comparatively to a brownie, I would give it, like I said, I would say I would give it a solid 8.82. Ladies and gentlemen, taking it from the man in his underwear, this was a treat. This was a treat.
Thank you.
This was a treat.
Thank you, sweet man.
I want another brownie, please.
Yeah, we
have one, please.
We have it.
Please. I want another brownie.
Great.
I'm gonna get the big one in the middle.
Oh, I have to take beauty shots of those. That's okay. You can have it. Yeah. Wait, but I do want to take a beauty shot of it.
Can I have one soon?
Yeah.
I really want one.
Oh, I need to take pictures of it.
Okay, but I can have it clean.
Yeah, you can.
I'm waiting.
I don't have anyone to tell to cut it, so you can cut.
I'll cut. You guys want a brownie?
He's a cute man.
Was that good, my love?
That was great.